Ducktail beard, a stylish facial hair trend. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of fashion and grooming: the ducktail beard. This style has gained popularity worldwide, and understanding its meaning can be quite interesting. So, let's dive in and learn more about it. The term ducktail beard refers to a specific style of facial hair. This beard style resembles the tail of a duck, hence the name. It's characterized by hair that tapers to a point at the chin, while the sides are usually shorter and well-groomed. This style combines elements of both a full beard and a more sculpted look, making it a popular choice for those wanting to balance between a rugged and a refined appearance. The ducktail beard has historical roots but has seen a resurgence in modern times. It's believed to have been popular in various forms throughout history. In recent years, this style has gained traction in the fashion world, becoming a symbol of sophistication and a well-groomed appearance. It's often seen in media, worn by celebrities, and has become a staple in men's fashion magazines. Styling a ducktail beard requires some effort. The key is to let the beard grow sufficiently long so that it can be shaped properly. Regular trimming is essential to maintain the shape, focusing on creating a tapered look towards the chin. It's also important to keep the rest of the beard well-groomed and neat. Using beard oils and balms can help in maintaining the health and appearance of the beard. The ducktail beard isn't just a fashion statement. It also holds cultural significance in some communities. It's seen as a symbol of maturity and wisdom in certain cultures. Additionally, it's a way for individuals to express their personal style and stand out in a crowd. The ducktail beard, therefore, is more than just a style, it's a form of self-expression. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. The ducktail beard is a fascinating blend of history, fashion, and personal expression. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about different styles, understanding such terms can be quite enriching. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice your new English vocabulary.